In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch multiple Google Sheets in one n8n trigger step by step. Let's get straight into it. Open n8n Cloud in your browser and wait for your dashboard to load. Once you are inside, look to the top right corner and click Create Workflow. This will drop you onto a fresh empty canvas where you can build your automation. At the top of the canvas, you will see a default workflow name. Click that name so it becomes editable. Now type the name you want to give this workflow, something that clearly tells you what it does, and then click outside the field to save the title. Now you need to add your trigger node. Click the plus button shown on the empty workflow canvas. A search panel will slide open from the right. In the search box, type Google Drive Trigger. When the results appear, click Google Drive Trigger from the list of trigger nodes. After that, you will be shown a list of event options. So go ahead and select changes involving a specific folder. Next, you need to connect your Google account. Click Sign In with Google. A pop-up window will open asking you to pick an account. Choose the Google account that owns the sample folder you want to watch. Then click Continue on each of the Google permission screens until the connection is approved, and you are returned to the Google Drive Trigger Settings panel inside n8n. Now you will configure the folder that this trigger watches. Click the Folder field. In the search box that appears, type the name of your sample folder. When the folder shows up in the results, click it to select it. After that, open the Watch For dropdown and select File Updated from the list. Below that, click Add option and from the menu choose File Type. A new dropdown will appear, so open the File Type dropdown and select Google Spreadsheets. With that done, close the node by clicking the back arrow. Then look to the top right corner and click Publish. A small confirmation dialog will appear, so click Publish again to confirm and activate your workflow. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now it is time to test the trigger by editing your first spreadsheet. Keep in mind this step can take about a minute, because n8n checks Google Drive on a polling interval. Open Google Drive in a new browser tab. Navigate into the sample folder you just connected. Double-click the first spreadsheet to open it. Click cell A1 to select it. Now type a short test update into that cell, something simple to mark the change. Switch back to your n8n Workflow tab. From the Workflow view or the left navigation, click Executions. Wait patiently until a new execution appears for the Google Drive trigger. Once it shows up, click the newest execution to open it. Confirm that the trigger output includes the updated Google Sheets file name, which tells you the watcher fired correctly. Now let's prove the same trigger picks up changes from the second spreadsheet too. Return to your Google Drive folder tab. Double-click the second spreadsheet to open it. Click cell A1 to highlight it. Type a different test update into that cell, something distinct from the first change so you can tell them apart. Switch back to n8n. Open executions again from the workflow view. Wait for the next execution to appear in the list, which may take a short moment due to the polling interval. When it shows up, click it to open the newest execution. Confirm that the trigger output now points to the second Google Sheets file. And that is the result. Your n8n workflow now has one active Google Drive trigger watching the demo drive folder. Editing either of the sample Google Sheets files creates a new execution inside the same n8n workflow, which means multiple spreadsheets are fully covered by a single trigger setup. From here, you can add more nodes after the trigger to process the data, send notifications, or route updates wherever you need them in your wider automation flow.